Several persons on the Essequibo Coast are now displaced after their home went up in flames on Thursday morning. The house, located at Lot 2 Windsor Castle, Essequibo Coast, is owned by 73-year-old Harry Nanan Parmanan. Based on information received, the fire started at about 9 o'clock h, 2 hours after the owner left with his son to seek medical treatment at the Suddie Regional Hospital. Information received stated that the man's teenaged grandson returned home, and as he entered his bedroom, he observed it was on fire. He immediately raised an alarm for his mother and siblings to run to safety. They were reportedly in the lower flat of the building. Neighbours formed a bucket brigade and attempted to put out the blaze, but due to the intense heat, their efforts proved futile. They, however, managed to remove a combine, other agricultural machinery and fertilizers that were stored in a shed in front of the burning building. After some time, the fire tenders arrived at the scene, but by this time, the entire upper flat of the building was destroyed. Nadira Parmanan explained that the fire started in the bedroom, where the main power circuit is located, and as such, believed that the fire was electrical in nature. Meanwhile, Regional Chairman Davanand Ramdit, Mayor of the Anna Regina Town Rabindranath Mohan and Budram of the Rice Producers Association subsequently visited the grieving family and offered their support.